Chairperson w'akakiiko k'ebyokusaasirana ka Amnesty Commission Honorable Justice Peter Onega nagira ngu abantu abarikuhingura emitwaro 2,380 abanyayuganda batwire nibarwanisa gavumenti ya NRM kurugana ijombo bwebembezi basasiirwe hati nabo nibatura amagara aga butosha. Ahari aba abengi batwire benyigire omu bikorwa by'ekihekera omu bibiina by'abahekera nk'ekya Allied Democratic Forces ADF.
The Amnesty Commission has pardoned over 28,340 Ugandans who have been fighting NRM government since 1986 when the NRM came into power.
Honorable Justice Peter Onega nagira ngu okurwana tukweri hangana kache ngo obusinje n'obumwe hati nugwo muhanda gwonka. Akakiiko k'ebyokusaasirana aka Amnesty International hati nikashaba abanyayuganda bona abakiri omu bugomi ngo baruge omu byokurwana bagaruka omuka.
While we appeal to those in rebellion to come back home, we also appeal to all Ugandans to persuade, to talk to those who are still in rebellion, to come back home, so that we move together. Uganda is for us all, not for any particular person. Let them also come back.
Honorable Justice Peter Onega nashoborra ngu nobukira bengu bengi ombagarukire na mnonga bakyara hamwe n'abaana nibakijogorwa habwanyuma y'okuheza emyaka nyingi omu kishugi ngobwe barugaruka omu bantu babutosha akakiiko akanikeija kubahereza ebirikubahwera okubaho baheza okugaruka kwombeka amagara gabo nk'abandi bantu bona.
Stigmatization is still common with some returnees, especially women and children. After spending years in the bush and doing all kinds of things in rebellion, then coming home now, they find their lives a little bit different from the kind of lives they were living before. After you have been brought home, you are given basics to start life in the village, then you should now settle in the village.
Okurugerwa Honorable Justice Peter Onega akakiiko akakahirize kuteekaho offices zitari zimwe na zimwe okwetorora ihanga hamwe n'aheeru y'ihanga ahi abantu abarikuba nibaruga omu buhekera barikubaasa kuza bakatunga okusaasirwa kandi bakahumurizibwa.
For those who are outside Uganda, they can go to our diplomatic mission and report there. You just go quietly, nobody follows you, nobody knows, and say, please, I've been this and that, I want to surrender.
Akakiiko aka ak'ebyokusaasirana aka Amnesty International nakagumizamu n'okwekambisa abantu okujwakukirra okutensa nk'engingo nkuru ey'okureetaho obusinge obw'oburamazi karikushaba abari omu bikorwa by'obuhekera bona okurugayo bakajwakukirra okuganiira hamwe n'okureeta obutebeekana hamwe n'enkurakurana omu ihanga. Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga ahabwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.